In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subsections to your Etsy store, providing a beginner's guide to selling digital products on Etsy. Whether you're just getting started or looking to organize your shop better, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about creating sections, assigning listings, and how they will appear in your store. To get started, go ahead and log into Etsy.com using a desktop, since sections can't be modified via the mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on Shop Manager. This is the command center of your Etsy store where all the magic happens. Now let's create your sections. In the Shop Manager, click on Listings from the menu. Once you're there, look to the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find Sections and click on it. This will lead you to the hub for managing your sections. Next, click on Add Section. You'll be prompted to name your section, so make sure to choose a name that accurately describes the products you'll assign to this section. The name should be catchy and informative, but keep it within 24 characters. For example, if you're selling digital assets like editable templates, you might name a section Social Media Templates. Once you're happy with your section name, go ahead and click Save. Remember, you can create up to 20 shop sections, so use them wisely to categorize your products effectively. Now let's talk about assigning listings to these newly created sections. Go back to the Listings section in your Shop Manager. You can select one or multiple products that you wish to categorize. Once you've selected the products, click on Editing Options and then Change Section. You'll see a drop-down menu with your available sections. Choose the section that best fits each product and then save your changes. This is a great way to keep your store organized and easy for customers to navigate. So how do these sections appear to shoppers? When a buyer visits your shop, they will see your sections either as a sidebar menu if they're on the desktop or as a drop-down menu if they're on mobile. This organization allows customers to easily filter and browse your digital downloads by category, enhancing their shopping experience and increasing the likelihood of sales. And there you have it.